In this video, I'll show you how to connect Eero to T-Mobile home internet. This connection will basically improve your Wi-Fi coverage, mesh networking, dead zones, and device roaming. And basically, to do it, you will need to make sure T-Mobile internet is already working and the gateway has some signal and the Wi-Fi works first. Then you'll basically have to connect the main IRO to the T-Mobile gateway. You will need to use an Ethernet cable and plug one end to the T-Mobile gateway Internet port or Ethernet port, and basically plug the other one into the main IRO Internet port. Either Internet ports on the gateway usually works. Then you'll need to go and install the IRO application. Sign in or create an account if you don't have one. Then you'll have to start the setup of adding inside the app or setting up the iRow network. You'll need to follow the instructions. iRow should automatically detect the T-Mobile internet connection. Make sure just to be close to it while doing so, close to the device. Once you finish the instructions, you should go and just create, as example, your new Wi-Fi network. Choose the Wi-Fi name or SSID and the password. And the devices, you should now go, as example, and connect to the new iRow network instead of the T-Mobile Wi-Fi. Of course, if you want to, you can add, or if you have more iRow units, you can go and add them as well. You'll have to set them up again in the application as well. Make sure you're close to each one of them once you set it up. And yeah, if you have, of course, that, you'll be able to place them around the house and add them throughout the app, and this will create your mesh network if you want to. Keep in mind that T-Mobile Gateway usually keep their Wi-Fi enabled, so to reduce interference, make sure to keep IRO at least 3 to 6 feet away from the gateway, which is the T-Mobile, so you don't interfere or something like that, because you cannot put T-Mobile in a bridge mode where they just disable their Wi-Fi, so they don't interfere. But it's fine, you just have to keep it away a bit. With the long Ethernet cable, you'll need a long one, 6 feet one. And yeah, you'll be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.